Hello friends, welcome to the video series on time and distance. In this video, I would like to explain some more problems related to time and distance. This is the 9th problem video. So let us begin. 20th question is as follows. A man rows on a boat from A to B downstream at a speed of 10 km per hour. Midway through the journey downstream, fuel gets empty and he had to turn off the engine. However, he rowed along the current and reached B taking a total of 12 hours, thereby taking 4 hours than usual. What is the speed of the boat in still water? And the options are 8 km per hour, 6 km per hour, 7 km per hour and 5 km per hour. This seems to be an interesting problem. We are required to find the distance between A and B. So let us assume that the speed of the boat in still water is B and the speed of the stream is S. And we also know that the downstream speed is 10 kilometers. It is given that due to delay, he takes 4 hours more than usual, thereby taking 12 hours. Hence, under usual circumstances, he takes 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8 hours for the journey. From this, we would be able to calculate the distance between A and B because we know that under usual circumstances, he takes 8 hours. So distance D is equal to 10 into 8, which is equal to 80 km. Now if we consider the downstream case, we can write B plus S to be equal to 10. Let us assume this to be equation 1. In the next case, we know that he rows half with the engine off. Thus we can write that total distance is equal to distance by speed. So when the engine is off, he takes 12 hours for the journey. So we can write 12 is equal to 40 by 10. 40 is nothing but the midway for the journey with which he travels at 10 km per hour plus 40 divided by S, where the other half he rows with the speed of the stream. So simplifying this, the equation reduces to 8 is equal to 40 by S, and we can calculate S to be 5 km per hour. Hence, putting this in equation 1, we can get the value of the speed of the boat in still water to be equal to 5 km per hour. When you go back to the options, we see that option D matches with our answer. So our final correct answer is option D. An interesting point to note is that in this case, the speed of the boat and stream is the same. Hence, the person would not be able to row upstream with the same speed. So, if the question were to calculate the time to row upstream the same distance, answer would have been not possible. So now let us look at another problem. In an 800 meter race, Arun beats Shyam by 25 meters. In a 500 meter race, Arun would beat Shyam by how many meters? And the options are A 40 meters, B 45 meters, C 50 meters and D 60 meters. This is a very simple multiplication problem. It is given that Arun beats Shyam in the 800 meter race by 25 meters. So in 1600 meter race, let's assume that Arun beats Shyam by X meters. So if we analyze the problem, a simple cross multiplication trick would do. So 800 is equal to 25, 1600 is equal to X, cross multiplying, we get X to be equal to 1600 into 25 by 800. So simplifying it, we get the answer to be 50 meters. Hence, checking for the options, we see that option C matches with the answer. I hope this problem is clear. Now let us move on to another problem. In a 100 meter race, A beats B by 8 meters or 1.5 seconds. What is the speed of B? The options are 5 meters per second, 5.3 meters per second, 5.2 meters per second and 5.4 meters per second. This is another simple problem. If we look carefully at the question, it is given that A beats B by 8 meters or 1.5 seconds. And this indirectly means that after A finishes the race, B would have to cover a distance of 8 meters to finish the race, and it would take 1.5 seconds more. Thus, speed of B may be calculated using the given details. Speed is equal to distance by time, and we know that distance is 8 meters and time is 1.5 seconds. So 8 by 1.5 gives us 5.33 meters per second. Now when you look back at the options, we see that option B is 5.3 seconds, which is the closest to our obtained answer. So the correct answer is option B. This video of Problems on time and distance ends here. I hope you have understood all the 3 problems that I've solved in this video. If you found my video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.